Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Johnny Silusalusa. I'll be teaching you how to speak Lingala. Another words that I would like for you to remember is because. Because in Lingala is po. Today when I went to work, I knew that I'll be appearing on lesson 15. So I was like happy and all. I was rushing to go home. Because I knew that I will be making lesson 15. I'll be appearing in lesson 15 and I was just happy about it. Lelo na kendegi musala na bandagi ko welisa nazonga po na yebagi ke na kosala lesson 15 lelo esepelisaki ngai. Lelo na kendeki musala nazalaki na esengo na bandaki kowelela nazonga na ndaku po because po nayebaki ke na kosala lesson 15 lelo na ko apparaître na lesson 15 lelo. Because is po in Lingala. I'd like to finish this lesson by thanking people like Malala 1974, Nadine Luna, and Mr. Congo. There are people who started this whole movement of translating or writing lyrics to Congolese songs. It's not only 3 people, there are more than that. Me as well, of course, and thousands of other people, but I can't mention everybody, at once. I also would like to thank Onyongo Jackson. He's been supporting Lingala Institute since the beginning. He's not alone. Thousands of other people as well.